How to open a certificate of deposit account with Discover Bank. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down apply for new account, or you can also type down Discover Bank and you can see open an online account option available. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see open an online account option available at the top right corner of your screen, and from the drop down menu will appear. Now there, tap on the CD option available, and once you tap on this CD, you will be asked if you are the new customer or the previous one who is trying to access your CD account. Now simply tap on it accordingly. Now here I'll tap on the new customer. Now I'll be asked to fill out this personal information, and once I fill out this, the bank will review it, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.